Good day, everyone. This is Speak Up. I hope you are having a really awesome time.
Okay.
I was wrong. Hang on.
Okay, one more time.
Awesome time. Sorry.
No. Yeah.
To make the classroom. Okay, shoot. Standing.
Okay, it's okay.
But I looked at you.
I'm very present.
That would be out of and a lot of I forgot what you need of learning to how much you have the effort you'll Speak Up is a great opportunity for everyone. Hello, I am Jofel. That's Jofel, and I am an English teacher. I have been teaching English for quite a while now. I have taught students from different countries and different ages. As a licensed teacher, I aim to pursue the improvement of my students. Therefore, I believe that teaching should be done with a lot of passion, a hint of inspiration, and plenty of dedication for improvement. I handle all my classes very diligently. I prepare extra to make sure that my lessons have a very positive mark on my students. There really isn't one special method to learn a language. Each student has a different style and different learning method. That's why, as a teacher, I adjust my teaching methods to every student's needs and wants. I am patient and very understanding of my students' requests and adjust to that accordingly. I believe that everyone is capable of learning what they want. All it takes is patience, hard work, the right guidance, and a lot of practice. The most significant benefit of having online class is its accessibility to almost everyone who has an electronic device and internet connection. Aside from that, because the internet is almost open to everyone, communication is possible. Going online allows you to communicate, interact, and share ideas with almost everyone in the world. Having classes online would give you more opportunity that would be otherwise impossible to have offline. The lessons, the interaction, and the chances are only one click away. Speak Up is a great provider for foreign students to finally achieve a goal, that is, to learn English. It is a community that helps students connect to their teachers who are aimed to give them a comfortable and effective environment for learning. Speak Up doesn't have any strings attached because it links students to the teachers they prefer. In learning anything, there are no shortcuts, but there are a lot of ways to help you learn effectively. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of patience, and a lot of practice to learn any new skill. Language learning is no exception. There are numerous ways to learn and improve. What you would need is a specific way tailored to fit your interest and capabilities. But it doesn't have to be hard and it doesn't have to be complex. If you find a comfortable way and it doesn't give you any pressure, then you are on the right path. All you have to do is stay on that path, keep working hard, and never give up. Start early or start late, it doesn't matter. What matters is how much effort you do to get what you want to achieve. For more details and information, please refer to the description below on the comment section. If you have any additional inquiries, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. You may use English to leave a comment below, or feel free to comment in your own language. Google is functioned to translate for us. Thank you so much for listening. See you in our class.